Tips to prevent pantry pests. Pantries are a hot spot for pests searching for food. Many pantry pests can be brought in with your groceries. Here are a few tips to keep pests out of your pantry. Check the packaging and contents of dried grain foods like flour, cereals, and processed foods, and for dried fruits, nuts, and spices for signs of pests before bringing them home. Store grains, cereals, nuts, and dried fruits in glass, metal, or plastic containers with airtight lids. Clean your pantry thoroughly every 3 to 6 months to keep pests away. Use bay leaves. Pests don't enjoy the scent of bay leaves. Adding them to your containers can help keep them away. Treat your home with a botanical, natural insecticide spray. Like bay leaves, other plants are effective at controlling bugs. Using an insecticide spray with plant essential oils will not only kill pests on contact, but also deter others from entering your home. Taking the time to pest-proof your pantry can help protect your kitchen and your home from troublesome pests. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at www.maggiesfarmproducts.com.